Are you facing difficulty in decision making? If you are facing, search out for the reasons why. Are you a student as of now in taking which group to go ahead with? Probably you could be a professional to make a very confirmed resolution for your profession. Or maybe you could be a business owner. Which is the decision I have to go ahead with? You must be having so many choices in front of you. Similarly, a homemaker. Are you a homemaker who is having a difficulty in making a decision? What is best for my life? There could be n number of people with having difficulty in making decision. What is that? For every decision to make, you have two choices. One that is supporting you, the other which is not supporting you. Go ahead, my dear friends, look at the reasons why it has become difficult for you to take a choice as of now. The one that is supporting you, maybe it is difficult for you now to implement it. But then in the long run, definitely it has its own consequences which are going to support you. Look at that. Evaluate your decisions which you have taken and then which you are going to take ahead. If you are a student unable to take which stream to go in, check out the pros and cons of the choices which you are making. Look at the people who have been in those directions and then make a confirmed decision such that you are ready for the consequences also. Be the owner of your decision. Similarly, a working professional, if you are having a difficulty whether to scale up now or to stay back in the same organization, look at your surroundings, research on the openings, and then look at your other opportunities. Then have a weightage, evaluate yourself. Are you able to take a decision for your growth in both personal life and your professional life? Do the market research, evaluate what is best for you. This way, when we are actually making decisions, slowly we are habituating our mind to become more confident in taking decisions. And your life is decided by your choices of the decisions you make. Just remember, where you are now is because of the decision you took in the past, isn't it? Yes. Every stage of your life needs you to make a decision. And it has to be your decision. You cannot go by others' decisions. Be your master. You take your own decision and go ahead in the future.